What's wiggling Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenotice. And guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here, the mophie powerstation hub, which is actually one of the coolest wall plugs. That's right, wall plug, like that thing that you plug into the wall to charge your phone that I've ever seen. So this bad boy is going to set you back about $100, which is obviously a lot for a wall plug, but guess what it does? It actually has a battery built inside of it, meaning even if it isn't plugged into the wall, it can store its own electricity to charge your devices. Plus, it is also able to wirelessly charge your phone just by resting your compatible phone on top of it, in addition to having a bunch of different other USB ports on this bad boy to charge other devices. So this is basically like a super duper souped up wall plug right here. So without further ado, let's get to getting this bad boy out of the box, baby. Warenotice, I got the tech and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen. I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Warenotice, making them wiggle and wiggle like Warenotice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. So folks, here we are up close and personal with the box. As you can see, we've got a picture of the powerstation hub right here, as well as its name right here. Very important, mophie logo right here, and down here it talks about some of its different features. It's got USB-C fast charging, it can charge up to 4 devices, and also advertises 36 hours of battery that it can provide to your device. So that is some pretty cool stuff right there. Qi wireless charging, foldable AC prongs, because once again, it is a wall plug. Makes sense, you can plug it right into the wall. That is very cool. And yeah, over here on this side of the box, we got mophie logo. Over here on the back, we got another picture of this bad boy, a little diagram of it, charging a bunch of different devices right here. It's got an 8,000 milliamp hour battery inside of it. Definitely important to know. 8-watt Qi charging, a 5-watt USB-A port, 18-watt USB-C port, and a high output 15-watt USB-A port. So a lot of ports on this bad boy, if I do say so myself. And over here on this side, we've got this little area that says it's great for all these different things, travel, home, office, pretty much wherever you go, and then a mophie logo. But anyway, let's stop just looking at the box and let's actually get inside this bad boy and open it up. And slippery slide. Let's see if we can pull it out. Ho, 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 here it comes. Okay, let's see. Bum. Ooh, I see it. There it is. It says mophie on it right there. If I see that with my eyes, then we can pull it out just like this. And here it is. Wow, that is a substantial wall plug, is it not? So let's take some of this plastic off of it. Oh yeah, here we go. Peel it nice and off. Bum. And we can put this to the side for just a second while we see what else is in the box. Let's see. So it says Power for All right here. We've got a little bit of paperwork right here. And folks, I think that is all that's in the box. So let's take a closer look at this bad boy. So over here we got those foldable AC prongs to plug this bad boy right into your wall. Right here, mophie logo. Over here we got a USB-C port and 2 USB regular ports. And yeah, over here it says 6,100 milliamp hours, even though on the box it says 6,000 milliamp hours, so a little bit of discrepancy right there, but whatever, I guess we get the gist. And then right here, actually, we've got a nice little button on this battery. If you press it, it shows you how much battery this guy has left in it according to these indicator lights. If you hold it for 3 seconds, actually, it activates that wireless charging feature. So let's test that out right now. So folks, here we got the mophie powerstation hub, and here we got my iPhone XS Max. We're going to try to get juiced up wirelessly with this bad boy because obviously it supports Qi wireless charging. So let's get to it, folks. So like I said earlier, there's this little button right here. If you guys can pick that up, this little button on this device, you hold that down for 3 seconds and then you can start wireless charging. So I'm going to do just that. Here we go, folks. Here it is. Now 1, 2, 3, and as you see, you can see there are different lights that just light up right there to let you know it's ready. Now we can just put my iPhone right here, and just like that, folks, charging. Look at that. Isn't that nice? And yeah, this bad boy does its job. You see right there in the top corner, it is charging, folks. Isn't that awesome? Very, very simple. And now guys, what I think is super duper cool about this guy, unlike most other portable batteries that you might use to charge your phone, your iPad, your laptop, whatever, you have to actually remember to charge those batteries. But with this bad boy, since it's in the shape of a standard wall plug, you could actually use it as a wall plug to just plug it into the wall and charge your devices like that. And then whenever you need a portable battery, just unplug it and it will already be juiced up because you've had it in the wall the whole time. And guys, I think that is just an awesome idea. And that whole wireless charging thing too, it just makes it even cooler. Plus, obviously, these 3 ports this guy's got on it right there. In addition, so like it said, you can charge up to 4 different devices at once. I just think this is an awesome little idea here. It would be nicer if it was a little bit cheaper, because a lot of people, they hear you say, oh, you spent $100 on a wall plug. That might be kind of crazy. But, I mean, it can do a lot, so that's definitely a good thing. And no, man, guys, I'm getting a little too excited about a wall plug. I know. You're going to let me know down in the comments. It's okay. But anyway, guys, that'll be all for this Warenotice video. Just a nice, quick, easy unboxing of this bad boy, the mophie Power Station Hub. So definitely let me know down in the comments what you think of this bad boy. Am I getting too excited about just a wall plug? Who knows, folks? Who knows? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this technology video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, folks, I do love all my subscribers. So if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button and I'll love you. Warenotice out with the mophie Power Station Hub, baby. Ooh.